Yes, something that changed my life. For the self-employed people out there and also for the small business owners, Anton from Richards Bay, I just want to share a quick story with you guys. I know you're self-employed guys. We are all dedicated like myself. We're dedicated, hardworking, we're disciplined, and we know what life's about. And I've made the big mistake in my life. For many, many years, I was trading time for money. And weekend after weekend, day after day, while I was trying my utmost best out there, Karen was just sitting at home, didn't know what to do, didn't know where to go. And she was not happy, although I thought I can provide. And then at a time, I realized that things is not working out the way it's supposed to work out. And I was also tired. And I was looking at a video exactly like this. And then I came across one of our digital marketers, Adolf. And that guy just speak with me because he also lost everything like I've had in the past. And it's not a shame how you fall, but it's the way how you stand up. And if you can relate with this, you've lost everything, or you're so tired of working and you don't know what to do, and you feel tired and you feel demotivated, I just want to tell you there's hope. And if you want to know how I manage to get my life back and my time back and can smile again and get back onto my feet, I will gladly share this information with you because it is for everybody. All that you need to do is send me a WhatsApp or in the comment section, just put hope and I'll gladly share the information with you.